When using operators in JavaScript, sometimes you have really weird results. For example, this must return false because 5 is not less than 4 and 4 is not less than 3. But when we run this code, we have true. That's because in JavaScript, operators have precedence and associativity. So let's go to MDN, and here we can look for the definition. Operator precedence determines the way in which operators are parsed with respect to each other. Operator precedence simply means which operator will be executed first. So let's go down here. The table shows each operator with its precedence. Let's go to the text editor and try var a is equal to 5 plus 3 times 7. Here we have two different operators, the addition operator and the multiplication operator. So which one will be executed first? Well, we do 3 times 7, this will give us 21, then plus 5, this will give us 26. So to know what is going to happen, we have to look for the operator precedence. Let's look for the multiplication operator and the addition operator. The multiplication operator has a precedence of 14, and the addition operator has a precedence of 13. 14 is greater than 13, so the multiplication gets executed first, and that's why we have 26. The same thing would happen if we had the division operator. The division will first be executed, then we move to the addition. The division has also a precedence of 14. Now, if you want this addition to be executed first, you add the grouping operator. This operator has a precedence of 20, so it will be executed first, then we move to the other operators. Now, what if we use operators that have the same precedence? Which one will be executed first? For example, 5 times 3 divided by 7. Are we first going to do the multiplication or the division? Well, this is determined by associativity. Associativity determines the way in which operators of the same precedence are parsed. We have left associativity or right associativity. Left associativity means the execution will be left to right. For example, A with the operator B with operator C. If the operator has a left to right associativity, this will be executed as if we have something like this. We have parentheses here. The left part will be first executed, then we return the result, then continue the execution. And if the operator has a right to left associativity, this will be executed as if we had something like this. So let's see some operators that have a left to right associativity. Here we have the associativity for each operator. Let's see this less than sign. Let's see the result of 5 less than 4 less than 3. It says true. Of course this is false, but this is due to associativity. So let's see how the JavaScript engine executes this code. First, it sees that we have used the same operator, so the precedence is the same. Now to figure out how it should run the code, it moves to associativity. The less than sign has a left to right associativity. So now we first run this, 5 less than 4. This returns false. And now it is as if we had false less than 3. And now the JavaScript engine sees that we are comparing a boolean against a number. It will take that boolean and convert it to a number. So false, when it is converted to a number, will return 0. And now we have is 0 less than 3. The answer is yes. And that's why the JavaScript engine returns true. Now let's see an operator that has a right to left associativity. For example, the assignment operator, the equal operator. Let's declare 3 variables. And now let's try something like this. And let's console log their values. And now the three variables are 15. Let's see why we have this result. This operator has a right to left associativity. This means that we first execute what is on the right side, then assign the result. First, z is equal to 15. So we assign 15 to y. Now z is 15 and y is 15. Then we move to the next operator. Y now is 15. We assign 15 to x, and now x is 15, y is 15, and z is 15. That's because the assignment operator has a right to left associativity.